Welcome back to Fishing with Red, everybody. Today we're doing a fishing budget clean and cook fishing challenge today. We're gonna stop by Walmart, pick up a couple lures, and then we're gonna head to Oak Tibby Spillway. We're gonna try to catch some crappie to eat today, and also we're gonna do a little bit of carp fishing. I just felt like carp fishing today to see if we can catch any big grass carps. I'm about to step into Walmart. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back from Walmart. We're now at Oak Tibby at the Spillway. Our goal was going into Walmart and spending under 20 bucks, which we did. We spent a total of $18.39, as you can see. I'm gonna go through what we got today. So of course, these are my favorite crappie lures of all time, the Bob Garland crappie baits. So we went with the original baby shads. Work amazing. And out here, the best color out here is Chartreuse and red, or like anything with Chartreuse really. Today we got the Chartreuse and red, and then these work really good, especially at night, but also in this water, because this water is really dark. It's the Moglow. We got a it's like a grayish chartreuse with some red, silver, and blue sparkles that we're gonna use. And then of course, my money bait that I always have to add on to my jigs, the PowerBait crappie niblets. Got to have those. I mean, I can't explain to you how well these do. Just adding that little bit of scent on there, it just makes them go crazy. And they have to be either pink or chartreuse, in my opinion, for crappie. And then for our carp fishing that we're doing, we got no salt added, whole corn organic. Sorry, I have a little bit of speech impediment. You're gonna have to forgive me for that. But money bait for grass carp, or really sometimes you catch catfish on it. Really anything really bites corn. So that's what we're gonna be using with that. And then we're just going to do a simple rig up on that. We're going to do a hook, corn, and some split shot weights. So we got the split shot weights, and then we got the Baitholder hooks. That's really all I could find. So that's what we got today for the carp fishing, and really whatever bites the corn. So I'm about to set up, get ready, and when I catch the crappie, we're going to go to a picnic table, and we're going to chow down on some crappie. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Just remember, please like, comment, subscribe on the videos. It means the world to me, and I thank for all the support. Stay tuned. Oh. Oh, got a little catfish. Alright guys, this one we got a little bit of channel cat. All right, guys, we're back out here today. The only thing we really caught yesterday was a couple catfish. We didn't really have any luck on a crappie yesterday, but we're gonna give it another try today. We didn't have too much luck at Oak-Tibby Spillway today. They happened to let the water out yesterday. When I first got there, they started letting water out, and it really turned the bite off. So we came out here to my pond, catch a couple crappie out here, and we'll fry them up. We'll blacken them. Yeah, I just got back from work. I got to leave back out Sunday. I'm trying to get as much fishing in as I can. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie to you. There we are right there. Ooh. Well, how about that? We actually caught a brim. Little bitty fella. Make some good bass bait. Bass. I didn't bring my dang bait casters with me today. I had to refrain from bass fishing. We're gonna get some more bass content out there to y'all though, I promise you. I'm working on my little boat right now, getting it fixed up. Working on mounting a trolling motor to it. These guys are, where they feeding at? I don't know exactly where they're feeding at right now. Well, that's a good thing about this bobber though. You know, it's when as you're bobbing in the water, your line moves in it, so it brings your bait up and down. Now I was using just a regular pin cork. It's really not the best way to do it. What is this? I'm not quite sure. It's a bass, I think. No. It's a nice sized crappie. She will eat. Yes, she will. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what we're looking for. Decent sized crappie. Sure will eat. Like I said in my first video, y'all gonna see a lot of this pond. I mean, I'm very comfortable with it, and it's the easiest place for me to go and film. You know, I'm still working on this filming confidence, I guess you could say. Working on being able to go in stores and film without feeling kind of awkward. But I tried to do it, and man, it's awkward. It really is. So awkward. It is. Because you get a lot of stares. But it is what it is. Oh, I just had a bite. There's another one. Oh my goodness. Talk about a good. Oh, we're gonna be eating good. Oh, we're gonna be eating real good. Look at that slab. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah, it's just, yeah, it's real awkward filming in public areas. I'm still getting used to it, so we're working on it. I finally got a new camera. I say camera, I got a new GoPro. I got a black 9. I went and found it on Facebook Marketplace when I was in Pascagoula. Heck of a deal. I really couldn't turn it down, to be honest with you. Pretty happy with that. That one was actually probably one of the bigger ones I've caught out of here in a while. Got another one. You don't feel cool. Oh, another brim. Let's see if we can live. We got that finger in there. There you are. Nice little size, about 7 inches. Probably 6-7 inch brim. That's not bad. Now I got a spot I'm gonna eventually fish on this channel. It's got some, I'm not gonna say it's got monster brim, but it's got some pounders in there, if that tells you anything. I'd love to take a trip up to Arizona and fish that one place where they have freaking 5-6 pound brim, man. That'd be insane. Just for the fact, in my opinion, if you ask me, like pound for pound, the strongest fighting fish is a brim. And it's not even their fight. It's really the way they're shaped. They're shaped like a pancake. So they just put up a good fight. Man, we're picking out some dinner plates today. Let's see here. What are you? He would be, I'd go say that's 12 inches right there. Oh, we'll put you back. Back for another day. Man, we're picking some slabs up. Tell you what, we're gonna keep him. Yeah, we'll keep him. Be like, oh, all he does is catch crappie, one of the easiest fish to catch. No, we're gonna do more than that. I promise you, we do more than just crappie fishing. I just right now, this time of the year, to me, the best fishing is crappie fishing. I won't say it's the best time of the year. If you can find structure, it's pretty good crappie fishing. Because this time of the year, getting close to winter, when you got them cold fronts come in, they love to stick close to structure. And like I said, I have a there's a tree down right here in front of this pipe that I put out there. Honestly, I don't remember how long ago it was. Oh man, that's a nice one right there. Let's not drag. Let's play with him a little bit. Oh, that's a freaking fatty right there. Oh man, that's a good one right there. Son. Yep. I'm gonna put that small one back for you. Let's see here. There's your butt. Let's see. Yeah. We'll keep him. We'll put you back. That's what I'm talking about right there. Need to work on getting me an extra ultralight. Yeah, I need to work on. I know before I go to Arkansas, I'm gonna have me an ultralight for them trout. There we are right there. Little bitty fella. We're gonna see if we can get a good release on him. Well, let's see what time it is. It is 1:20. I can fish for about another 30 minutes. And guys, if you want to, I rely on them things way too much, to be honest with you. Dang, what was that? That sun gun right there swiped it. Ooh. So guess what? It works without the crappie nibble. How about that? I already knew it did, but you know, you get confidence on one thing, and you get to the point where you believe you have to have that on your lure to catch anything. That's how I kind of am with crappie nibblets, to be honest with you. Which, trust me, it doesn't hurt to have them. There we are, buddy. Man, these are some slag. This is what you call fun fishing. This is what you call catching, not fishing. I mean, that's just how it goes in a pond, especially a pond stocked with crappie. If you know where the structure at, you can pretty much. Oh, that was probably a bass right there. Sure was. Little bitty bass. Caught him on the jig, little crappie jig. Oh man, what is this? Keep it pin. What is this? Oh, it's a bluegill. Oh, it's a slab bluegill too at that. Darn, son. That thing put up a heck of a fight. I didn't know what it was. And like I said, it's really not the fight. It's really the way they're shaped. That's why it feels like it's a huge fight. Well guys, we ended up turning the day around. Came to my pond and my pasture. Caught actually probably 10 crappie today. We only kept 3 and they're actually really good size. Some brim. So I'm gonna go off camera and fillet these fish up, and I'll be right back to you. Guys, we got them filleted up, got seasoning on them, got the pan getting hot. So what I'm using basically is I'm just using the Pound avocado oil spray. And for the seasoning, it's my favorite seasoning of all time. It is Dano seasoning. Stuff is good, low on sodium, so it's pretty good for you. Spicy, man, you gotta have it spicy. And all we're doing with this crappie, like I said, those are your fillets. Don't judge me on my fillets, man. I haven't filleted up a fish in a while, so they're a little rough around the edges, but you know, just forgive me for that for right now. We're about to stick these in there and cook them up. This is what you call from the woods to the table right here. I mean, straight. As soon as I caught them. It's better if you know, if you actually have some actual oil to stick on the pan. That spray on, really, you know, it's just for, it's really really it's for to help not stick on the pan, but I'm using it as really the oil, because all I'm doing is blackening this fish. And that's really the best way, in my opinion, that's the best way to eat this fish. That's how I like to eat any of my fish. Cut this heat down a little bit. Little nugget right here, about to give it a try. Man, I'm telling you, you need to try that Dano seasoning. It's insanely good. You put that just about on anything you eat. Oh, there is the done product right here, guys. That's what we got right there. Some nice fillets, you know. Whew, I'm starving, I ain't gonna lie to you. I haven't ate nothing but some kolaches today, so you know this is gonna go down very well. We got our Doritos. You got to have the spicy sweet chili Doritos. If you like spicy, they're not hot, but they are delicious, in my opinion. And the new Red Bull Fig Apple, man, I'm telling you what, that is my favorite Red Bull as of right now. It is absolutely delicious. It reminds me of a fig, them little Fig Newton bars. You know what I'm talking about? Man, they're so good. You know, drinking energy drinks might not be the healthiest thing in the world, but I love them. All right, we'll do a little taste test here. Of course, the chips are gonna be good. Let's give a little taste test of this fish. This is from the pond to the table right here. Man, I'll tell you what, it does not get no better than that at all. That is delicious. If I had a little sauce to dip it in right now, I'll tell you what, it would be out of this world. And guys, I appreciate you. If you stay tuned this long, I really appreciate it. We had a rough day yesterday and we had a rough day this morning, but we ended up coming to my pond, had a good time, caught some nice ass crappie. You got to see my fillet skills at hand. Not very good. I know I need to work on them. You know, don't judge me on that. Guys, all I got to say is, would y'all please subscribe, comment on my videos, like them. It does me a world of good, and I appreciate everything y'all are doing for me as of right now. You know, I only got 3 videos out there right now, but I'm looking to put more out, and I'm trying to fish every day I can. And guys, remember, rip, lip, repeat.